So this is the Chinese rover that landed on the far side of the moon with Chang'e 4 around January 1st. In fact, it just woke up for its third time just yesterday. So what we have are some pictures of it, a little bit of cooperation between NASA and China's space agency. NASA used the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter to verify where it landed, and actually it spotted it looking across the far side of the moon here between these two arrows. See it? Well, no. But
we'll help you.
Enlarging this extremely high-resolution image, you can see the Chang'e 4 lander. And then just this month, LRO, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, passed directly over the site. And here you can see Chang'e 4 and U-22, the rover.
So how do we know that's not staged?
That's true. NASA could be helping the Chinese fake a moon
That's
program.
true.
Come on Sunday and I'll tell you how they did it.
That's right. Hey, really?
So
Well,
that's not the only thing we're getting from the far side. So also from the far side of the moon.
that's right. The way we get images from the far side of the moon is China has a relay satellite in a halo orbit just beyond the moon, and it's able to kind of stay near that area. So we're getting these incredible images of the nearby moon and the faraway Earth. So we're seeing the far side of the moon.
And this proves the
Earth
moon
off
is
in the
so
distance.
much larger than the Earth.
And it looks flat.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, I mean,
That's the same proportion as looking at the moon, looking at the moon with the Earth near us? Is it, you know how the moon is...
well, because the moon, remember, is roughly a quarter the size of the Earth. So the size of the Earth, the apparent size from that spacecraft probably isn't much different than it would appear from the surface of the moon. So for scale, the Earth from the moon looks 4 times as big as the moon does in our sky, or 2 degrees across, or about as big as a finger and a half or so held at arm's length. So it really doesn't take much to block out the Earth from the moon. So you can, that's probably pretty big in the sky.